You're watching I Love I.
Sorry, let's do it again.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Chanel.
And today we're in the west side of LA.
The west side.
The west side. And we're checking out this place called Big Boy.
Big boy.
Big Boy.
Big boy.
So they're actually known for their Filipino food.
Like adobo, lumpia, and a whole bunch of other stuff, man.
A bunch of stuff. And we're going to check it out. They're actually same owners of B-Sweet.
So if you ever seen that video we had before, check it out. But follow us.
Let's go.
So look, we're at Big Boy.
Big Boy.
Shout out to Den.
Big Boy.
Snoopy. Snoopy.
You would like this place. Big Boy.
Big Boy. All right, so you're the connoisseur of the Filipino cuisine. So you want to let the people know what we have?
So this spot, if you guys have ever been to B-Sweet, same owners.
You guys have a video.
We got a video. Check that
there.
one out. But their desserts are amazing. Now we're gonna try out their Filipino food. I had to get like the Filipino classics today.
What would a classic be? Let me know, Nate.
So classic for like Filipino dishes normally like chicken adobo, and then you got like the pork sisig. But I like how they did it because like you could see on their adobo they put green onions. They got slices of cucumber over the sisig with some mayonnaise, some green onions too. Sisig's normally pork cheek.
Go ahead. I was gonna say my arch nemesis is back again.
Yeah, with the fried egg and garlic fried rice. So it's Sunday. Sundays here they have like a special menu. They actually have like ube pancakes and tater tots.
Actually, the dopest part, besides like, not to cut you off or anything, but all the spots around here they don't open up till like 12. So they got the smart idea to do a brunch on Sunday starting at 8 o'clock, and they serve some pretty dope stuff. Actually, we're gonna have something for you a little bit later after we try this. We're gonna do things the right way, you know, food and then dessert. So
I want to try the tater tots first.
You wanna do tater tots first?
Because these are like some fat tater tots. Look how big that thing is.
Yeah, you like them big, huh?
Hell yeah.
And moist?
And moist. The ketchup makes it
What
moist.
kind of dip was that, bro? It's a weak ass dip. Let me show you how to dip. Dip, baby, dip, baby, dip. Look at that. That's how you dip, son.
This is a homemade tater tot. You can taste the freshness. Because I like tater tots, but most of the tater tots come frozen. These are bomb.
We just got the special surprise behind us, but we'll get to that.
We got a few other things.
All right.
Let's start out with this.
You know I gotta go in for the chicken.
So Chanel's already honorary Filipino because he's tried below. So now we're gonna.
And that right
if
there.
you want to check out that video, check that video out right there.
The faces I make, man.
And so now we let him try some other really good Filipino food.
Get some rice in there. You gotta get the rice, right?
Chicken adobo's pretty, that's like a staple.
The chicken is so tender.
Is it moist?
Moist. Not dried out. Is it the soy sauce? Is that what I'm tasting?
Yeah.
It is,
it's,
right?
They cook it with soy sauce and also vinegar.
Damn. Look at it. It's just, watch this. See that right there?
And that thing's coming apart. So it looks like they slow cooked it.
But get that rice in there. I know you want that rice.
And it's so good with like rice.
You should pan over and see all the crowd that we got coming over here. Nope. All right.
Yeah, but this place looks like they get busy. And so this is the pork sisig, the ultimate party dish at a Filipino. Like, if you have a Filipino party, if they got sisig, you know you're drinking.
Oh, what is
And like
this?
It's so good with mayo.
This is mayo?
Yeah, they add mayo on it, so you just mix it up. But I think the mayo just makes it like that much better.
Yeah, it actually just puts it right over the top. I'm sorry, Nate. I know I ate a lot earlier. I said I wasn't gonna eat, but
he ate all the top. Check out this sisig.
They did that right. Each bite really comes through. That mayo sets it off.
Oh, you can taste the peppers too.
Those green onions.
It's not super spicy, so it's good, but it has like just a little bit of kick.
Yeah, trust me. If you guys, you know, for me, I'm not too big on spicy stuff. I'll try it, but this one definitely isn't too overwhelming.
And this is a big plate.
Oh,
Look at the portion size of that.
It's
That's
hefty.
like
You guys ready for this? Oh, look at that.
mix it with the sisig.
Oh, I hate it. I mean, it looks so nice, and the colors really come through, but I really hate eggs. Some rice.
Chanel's already beat me like eating Filipino food because like he had more balut than me, even though he threw it up at the end of the video.
I didn't throw up, liar.
After he saw it, yeah, he was eating with his eyes closed.
I was.
Then he saw it, and it was game over. We got a bag of pandesal. So they make their own
Some what?
pandesal. Pandesal, man, it's bread. Pandesal is basically like it's not a dinner roll because this is for breakfast. You know, Filipinos love to eat pandesal in the morning. The best pandesal is right when it's baked fresh. Man, when I was in the Philippines, I just smelling it in the morning, like those pandesal stores. It's amazing. The heart.
So look, earlier we talked about the brunch, 8 o'clock to 1 on Sundays, and how they have this special menu and items.
Yeah, they got like this ube waffle.
Yeah, but we also got this, right? Which is literally a pancake. And then you got the ube butter right there. So, we're gonna dive in.
And it looks like they drenched it with like ube sauce and buko pandan sauce. Young coconut, to be exact.
Ooh, get them young.
Yeah, Trinell loves that.
I was joking. You know what? Forget a fork.
That's bomb.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I gotta get some of that ube butter. Yo, this ain't right.
This is really good.
This ain't right, y'all. Oh, damn.
The texture is kind of like a brownie.
This is fire.
On steroids because it's bomb. And they got some of the ube butter. What a dip. I just took the butter off my hand.
Thank you, Nate. Yo. Now I'm gonna try some of that ube butter on the pandesal. Pandesal. I'm sorry. I'm getting lessons over here from Tim.
I don't know if that tops it because this is like just this pancake alone.
Yeah.
And Chanel just took all the sauce from the rest of the pancake.
I'm just dipping.
What a dick.
Look at that. It's amazing.
Oh my God, is that purple pizza?
Ube.
Ube, you want to try
Try
some?
these? No. It's really good. People walking by just look at it because it looks appealing to the eye. It's purple. The colors are amazing.
Oh, that's bomb. That's so good.
I'm just telling you, you just come here for the pancake.
Pandesal. This is like traditional Filipino bread for breakfast. A lot of times you'll put like just butter.
Just butter?
Actually, margarine. Filipinos love margarine.
Not the real shit?
not the real shit. And, or they'll put like cheese whiz.
Cheese what?
Cheese whiz.
Cheese whiz?
We put cheese whiz on everything.
Cheese whiz.
Yeah, say it like
whiz.
Filipino too.
Cheese whiz.
Wait, you have the cheese whiz, huh? Huh? You have the cheese whiz? Look at this one. You can tell if it's good pandesal when it's soft. They bake theirs every single day.
Ooh.
Get half of that.
Ooh.
Grab it.
That is really
Oh,
soft.
look
Look
at
at that.
This is way better than any dinner roll that you'll ever have.
Can you put some butter on here for me? Just a little bit more though.
No, after you smeared all, took off that from that pancake, you're a jerk.
Ah.
Here,
Yeah, there we go. Look at that.
look at that.
Are we toast? We toasting?
Ching.
Ching. Oh.
I like it because, like, it's like subtle, like how the taste is.
Yo, it is definitely
good.
not overpowering, but they complement each other so well.
This is bomb. I think I want some.
I think I can just eat the butter. Just the butter.
I think I'm gonna buy it. So they sell the butter in like
These
little
little
canisters.
mason jars, it's amazing.
Yeah. And so they have other things on the menu too. This month in November, they have kare kare as their monthly special. So you can check back every single month. They'll have like a different monthly special. But they got some good food, man.
And the one thing we didn't get was a lumpia. So for sure, next time I come back, I'm definitely gonna get some lumpia. But I mean, this place is legit.
Yeah.
You know, you can definitely come out here on a Sunday, just chill, walk around. You know, there's so many places around here. But Big Boy is definitely one that you got to stop by. You know what I'm saying?
And one of my favorite things about this place is like, because if you ever go to like majority of Filipino restaurants, like the food's really not that appealing, like visually.
Right. It's just good. It just
Yeah,
doesn't-
they actually did a good job here making the food like visually appealing.
Yeah.
It was bomb.
I mean, you guys can see how many people stopped just because of that pancake, yo. It was attractive.
We had like a ton of people just looking at it. We're asking them like if they wanted to take a bite. And I think
Everybody was a little scared. They were a little scared.
Nah, you know, they probably thought it was like 420 in it. Walk around all
Right.
stoned and shit.
But yeah, man. Today was definitely fun. Coming to Big Boy, you guys should stop by. You know,
if
everything's
there's-
going to be in the description down below, so definitely make sure to check it out.
If there's any other spots you want us to check out, let us know in the comments below. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button so that way you can watch more videos just like this one.
Yep, hit that bell notification so you get notified.
Ding, ding, ding. Share this with your family and friends,
Because they'll love it.
and we'll catch you in the next video.
Peace.